Traditional rulers from Edo South Senatorial District don't show their support for the implementation of the 1979 law on local council administration as dem throway salute give the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki for the implementation of the new regime where all the traditional rulers for the 18 local government areas of the state go dey receive monthly allowances to run their domains. The traditional rulers talk this one when dem carry waka go for one courtesy visit to the governor on Thursday for Government House, Benin City, and contrary salute give the governor for the bold step when he take to address this matter wey don too tey for ground. The come still talk say dem stand gidigba with wetin the governor dey do as na better thing wey no go only bring better governance for grassroots level but e go still make the traditional rulers to feel among and also give dem authority so dem go fit rule their people well. Enigies of Duke Donald Sir Professor Gregory Idwobo Akenzua wey lead the Enigies contrary salute give Governor Obaseki for the new regime and for the ogbonge development wey they do across the state.
Enigis of Edo South, we come here to thank you for the monumental governance we have experienced in your reign. For a number of years, we have observed a portion of the local government law of Edo State that affects the Enigies. And we wondered for a while why it was not implemented. But by the recent declaration, you have given a monumental opportunity for Enigies in Edo South. For this, we are extremely grateful. We thank you for your courage, for your wisdom, and for your determination to right anything that was not right until you assumed the reins of government in Edo State. We thank you very much. We are very appreciative of the monumental strides in development. All the right we have experienced in time. This is why we thought we should come here to show our appreciation and to pledge our loyalty to you. And we thank you and your team of erudite and determined public officers. We thank you all very much on behalf of our various communities, for the people in the rural area of the South, Edo South, Senatorial District, that had not felt the impact of traditional governance effectively for some time. We thank you and pray for you, and we hope that you will be remembered forever when you have completed your assignment. We pray for your good health and success in your
Governor Obaseki for in response thank the Enigies for the visit and talk say im go continue to work with the traditional institution for the state to ensure ogbonge development for the state. He come reassure them say in government they do everything to remove poverty and make the life better for Edo people. He come still talk say dem get list of poor and vulnerable people for the state wey they don put together for 2019 wey get 314,000 households and 1.2 million people for the list and say make dem go verify the list as dem go do the work together to create system wey dem go fit take give out the money monthly to the people so that the pressure no go too much for them sake of say dem dey come meet them for help.
The courtesy call of appreciation for the recent pronouncements that government made as regards the participation of traditional rulers in the South in their local government traditional councils. We took the decision, government, in response to your letter, which you wrote to me sometime last year. When we looked at the issue very critically, we felt that the reasons you adduced in your letter were very particularly in terms of the situation in Nigeria today. And just for the benefit of those who don't know, you asked me to implement a section of the Edo State's traditional ruler's law, which by law I had no choice to do. And that meant, and that law stipulated that every local government should have its own traditional council. And the reason, I believe, why that decision was taken and enacted many years ago is that the traditional authority, which was essentially the traditional government in every area, every jurisdiction, should assist the current government in enforcing law and order and also in ensuring development in the area. And this law applies to the whole of the state, north, south, and central. Upon a very closely look at the implementation of the law, you can see the advantage that the north and central have had as a result of the full implementation of this law, which has allowed full participation by the resident traditional authorities in the administration of the local government, each local government. By implementing this law in the South, what we now expect will be much faster rate of development than we have either seen. In the past, have assisted the local government authorities in areas like security, areas like education, areas like welfare as citizens. But we did this on your own and upon invitation by the local government authority. What this means now is that your councils must meet to support the local government authority in those critical areas of development. First and foremost will be security. I know that many of you, in spite of the lean resources that you have or was available to you, have assisted in the past in supporting the vigilantes in your various communities on that street. I want to thank in particular here today our father, the community of the hall, who worked tirelessly with us to deal with the issue of kidnapping, particularly around that access. And we thank God that we were able to bring the issues of kidnapping and the kidnappers finding space in his domain. So the area of security is one area we believe and we expect that in your meetings, which must be very regular, must work very closely with the local government authority to ensure that every inch of that in your area of your jurisdiction, the area you cover, is policed, particularly in the forest area. The other area I want to emphasize, and I would like to leave you with, in the next 1 month at most, I'm sending people around with the local government. The level of poverty is very, very high. And as government, we have decided to do something about it, working with you and other stakeholders. There is a register for people who are supposed to be very poor and vulnerable, which was compiled. They told me that this register was compiled in 2019. That register is supposed to have about 314,000 households and about 1.2 million people. Mostly people who cannot read, people who are very, very poor in your domain. I'm sending them back to verify that register. So we expect to work with you very closely. When they come to your domain, you expect to introduce them to all the community heads, dealing with it and all the other heads in the various tribes, so that we can check that the names we have on that register is for real. On a monthly basis, we expect to send money to them through an identity we will give them, so that at least they can feed. We know the pressure you are under. Many of them come to you when they can't do anything, when they can't feed, when they are sick. They come to your palaces to ask for support and aid. So this is to also help you, to relieve you of some of that pressure. Finding people from government and the local government come to you so that we can know these people and we can now put in place a system, just a card, where we can always put money, load money for them. They can go to POS, collect the money, and buy food or buy it.
Una go remember say Secretary to the Edo State Government to Saudi Ogi Esquire for one statement wey concern the implementation talk say the council don set to say dem go get traditional council for each local government area for the state 18 local councils, and say the budget and funding of the Benin Traditional Council go dey completely independent of the financing, including all the other traditional councils of the different local government areas for the state. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City. A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.